like candy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Candace, aka Diamond Candy if you are new here, and if you are a returning loyal subscriber, thank you so much for returning again. You are a real one. In today's video, I'm going to be refreshing my hair color. If you guys watched my previous video when I went from black to like a copper brown color, since then my hair has tremendously faded. I'll be showing y'all what my hair looks like now, obviously, but it is faded so much to the point where it feels like all of that color is gone, and it's just kind of like the bleached color, and I don't really like it. So I want to put something on top of that. I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this new color and what the process is like, etc. So if you are interested, then stay tuned. So really quick, before this my hair was slick back in that slick back braided pony that I did. It's been like that for literally 2 weeks and I'm so embarrassed. But since my hair was like formed in that like slick back, like just like straight kind of formation for a long time, I decided to go in with a protein treatment just to kind of get my curls back popping, because you know I can't have, you know, super limp hair, and usually when I go from a slick style to curly hair it's a little bit limp. So to wash my hair, I used the Afro G shampoo for damaged hair, and then I went in with the Keratin 2-minute reconstructor. Those are like some of my holy grail protein products. Ever since I was relaxed, you know, they've been holding me down whenever I need like a boost in my curls. If I need some protein, some strength, if my hair is like breaking more than usual, I always go in with these. And to bring some moisture back to my hair, because it does leave your hair dry, I went in with the Texture by Cantu Strengthen and Restore Moisture Mask. I let that sit on my hair for about 30 minutes and then I rinsed it out. So that is what my hair is now, just freshly deep conditioned, and I just put it under this towel. So now I'm going to take it down and start coloring my hair.
You got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend too bad, man.
So I came a little closer just to show you guys what my hair is looking like. It's like a brownish, some parts are a little blondish, but this is essentially what my hair looked like when I lifted it from the black. All of the red color that I put in, the copper color, has washed out. So this is what my hair is looking like. It's not terrible, but I don't know, I want something different. So yeah, I want to go in and get my hair a little bit more unison, a little bit more pulled together. So I'm going to show you guys the color that I'm using. I'm a little nervous, but we're going to see. Now for my hair color, I decided to use this color called French Cognac by Adobe. Adobe is always the color company that I use. I don't know, I just really like their color selection, and this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a copper orange. This is much brighter than the one that I used previously. And yeah, this is a semi-permanent hair color, and I'm going to read you guys the directions just in case you don't know. So you're supposed to shampoo and towel dry your hair. Done. And you're supposed to use a protective cream around your hairline. Don't got time. Supposed to apply hair color 1/8 of an inch from the scalp and comb through thoroughly. I could do that. Cover with a plastic cap, process with heat for up to 15 minutes, rinse and shampoo completely. So I'm just going to section off my hair into 4 sections and start applying the color. I actually bought 2 of them just in case, because you know I have like a good amount of hair, so usually 1 bottle is enough, but we're going to see. I don't really remember. Now I'm just going to separate into smaller sections. Not too small, honestly, because the hair, I mean the color is pretty easy to work through. So I'm probably going to split this one section into like 3 different sections. So I'm going to take a medium sized section and then clip the rest out of the way. Okay, so I have my gloves on and I have my section together. So I'm just going to open up the color and put it on my hands and just rub it through, really. This is super easy because my hair is already lightened, so I'm just adding color on top of it. Now once it's all through the hair, I'm gonna take my Denman brush and just lightly brush it through to make sure that it's coating all of the hair. It's not like the smoothest thing, so be very careful with it. Alright, now I'm just moving on to the next section.
I don't know why you look so nice. now we're just taking time. All the things are on your mind. Gonna treat you right.
So I'm done with this section. This is what it looks like. I'm loving the color so far. It looks a little less ashy. This looks like really ashy and dry to me. And this looks really pretty. I can't wait to wash it on. See? But once I'm done with the section, I'm just twisting it and then clipping it out of the way. Okay, so it's done and I'm excited because it looks really good so far, but I still have to let it sit for a little bit longer. So I'm gonna put on my plastic cap and put my satin cap on top of it. By the way, I ended up using one bottle, well, a little bit of my second bottle of the color, like barely any of it. So if I were to be a little bit, you know, less heavy-handed, then I probably could have just used one bottle. But I bought both of them, so I wasn't really worried about it. I was being very liberal. But I have my satin cap on with my plastic cap underneath. So I'm going to use my, what's this called? Portable hair dryer in order to let my hair sit for 15 minutes under the heat. And I use the Infinity Pro Conair one, and it's really cute. Like, it's really easy to put on, easy to set up, so it's my favorite one. I'll leave the link to it in the description box. So I'm gonna sit for 15 minutes under that and then rinse it out. It says to shampoo, so I'm gonna shampoo and then I'm gonna come back with the final results. I don't think I need to come back before then, because, you know, it's not really going to be much to see. So yeah, I'm going to come back with the final results. Okay, so this is the final result of my hair color. It's actually a few days later, but y'all don't even need to know all that. But this is what my hair looks like. It's very similar actually to the color that I had before, so I'm not mad about that. In the sun, it is a little bit more like orange looking. I'm going to show you guys this video of me living my best life on a boat, and the sun is just like, you know, making it look a lot more vibrant. So yeah, this is the final result. I am happy with it, and this is probably the color that I'll stick to for the next couple months till I decide that I'm tired of it. So let me know what you guys think about it in the description box. If you have any videos that you want me to post for you guys, let me know and I will strongly consider them. It's 2020. I'm trying to, you know, put more content out or whatever. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.
I need to hold a corner, and there's no one time.